Hey guys, welcome to the Easy Travel Guide. These are some must-try spots in Manchester. From the team behind Japan Center, Shoyu Ramen serves up the best southern specialty ramen outside Japan. Their head chef has perfected the ultimate broth to create a noodle base steeped in authenticity, passion and flavour. Make sure you wash it down with a Japanese cocktail. The Pasta Factory is the #1 place for authentic Italian food, full of flavour, with dishes created from scratch, using only the best fresh ingredients in season. Different pasta doughs are made by hand every day, with natural colourants such as green spinach, red wine and pink beetroot, adding vibrant shades to an array of shapes in all sizes. The Pasta Factory also dishes up plenty of plant-based options, with a good choice of meat-free mains and dairy-free desserts. Combining shabby New York City dive-style chic with great liquor and rock and roll from the last 5 decades, Mojo offers a slick, high-octane environment with friendly and knowledgeable staff. Since opening in 1996, Mojo has earned its stripes as one of the country's best party venues and is constantly reviewing its offering to meet with the needs and desires of its customers. It's also the #1 spot in Manchester for cocktail making events and hen parties. If you're just after a good honest pint, the Crown and Kettle is the place to be. A classic venue established in 1734 and then re-established in 2020. They offer cask beers, small plates and outdoor seating. So it's great whatever the weather. The Science and Industry Museum in Manchester traces the development of science, technology and industry, with emphasis on the city's achievements in these fields. There are extensive displays on the theme of transport, power, textiles, communications and computing. A great day out for the whole family.